So a few weeks ago, the Supreme Court surprised everyone and ruled that bribery, as in direct cash-in-hand bribery, is actually not against the law in one specific situation. It's when the cash hits the hand of the politician after they do the thing they're being bribed to do. If the cash or the promise of the cash happens before the fact, then you go to jail. But if it's just understood that the cash is going to happen afterward, then you don't go to jail. The Supreme Court just called that a token of appreciation and said it's legal. To be clear, until this court ruling a few weeks ago, it was illegal. A mayor in Indiana was convicted of exactly that kind of bribery. He gave a garbage truck company a $1 million contract, and then they gave him $13,000 for him to personally keep. But the Supreme Court just threw out his conviction and basically said this is almost illegal, but not quite. So if Congress wants this to be illegal, they have to pass a bill saying exactly that. Well, I'm a member of Congress, so here's my bill. My office has spent the last 3 weeks working on the language. It's written to close exactly that loophole and do nothing else. No landmines, no poison pills. Yes, it is section 666 of the code. No, I didn't pick that number. It's just the section with the bribery laws in it. Unfortunate. I haven't filed the bill yet because I just finished the draft. So now I'm taking the draft to other members of Congress to try and round up support. The biggest hurdle our bill faces is just being called for a vote. I don't have the power to do that. Ultimately, only the Speaker does, and he's only going to let that happen if he feels there is strong support in the majority party for the bill. The big challenge there is that the election's coming up. Everything's being viewed through that lens, and frankly, not much is moving. That means there aren't many opportunities for me to try and attach this small bill to a larger bill that's already moving, which, as a freshman, has been one of the main ways I've been able to get things done. But then again, if Congress is just looking to do something and needs a semi-obvious idea the public would broadly support, I got one for them. So you and I will find out together, and I'll keep you posted.